We are now going to find angles which are equivalent to these angles listed here. So I want you to always be thinking about our unit circle, because within our unit circle we can draw our special triangles and find different measures of angles or ratios. So if we're looking at 135 degrees, we know that that is more than 90. So if I was to draw in my reference angle, where we all start from reading at the same point. So 135 degrees would be here. And because we want all of our reference angles to be acute angles to use our special triangles, we're looking from this principal axis what the measure is to the angle. So in this case, we're looking for what is this acute triangle here. So acute angle that we could make a triangle with. So we can think about it as, well, this principal axis has a measure of 180 degrees. I can take away 135 from that and I would get 45 degrees. So my reference angle is 45 degrees. Now we can look at the next one, 120, and once again, we know that 120 degrees is more than our 90. So this would be our 120 degree measure. To find out what the reference angle is, so the measure from our principal axis, we can take 180 minus the 120 and get 60 degrees. Now this next one's quite interesting because we're looking at 270 degrees. So we're going beyond our 180 degrees. So let's draw our unit circle again. 270, again, everyone's starting from the same point. We're measuring from this moment. Here is 90, 180, 270 lands right here. So we could just look at 270 would be the angle that we look at. You could think about it as a reference angle of 90, but 270 is going to fall on this coordinate point, so we're just going to look at 270. I think that'll be good there. Oh, now we have negative. So let's take a look there. Our negative 30 degrees means we're going the opposite direction on the unit circle. So the opposite direction, again, we're all starting from the same point. We're not going counterclockwise, we are going clockwise. Negative 30 degrees would be here. So our reference angle, remember it's red from our principal axis, so it's what degree would it be if we were looking and drawing a triangle, a right triangle, and that would be 30 degrees. Negative 270, we are now once again going the opposite direction, so we're looking here at our unit circle. The opposite direction, so we're starting here. Here's negative 90, negative 180, negative 270 lands here. Our reference angle is 90 degrees. And the last one being 315. Looking at our unit circle, starting here. Here we have 90, 180, 270. 315 is going to land here. So if we were to draw in our right triangle, we want to take 360, that's all the way around, minus 315. And we get 45 degrees for our reference angle.